Hi friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Take 1 pinch of this powder daily and your belly fat will melt like crazy. Today I am going to share one super effective remedy for weight loss without much effort. Best part of this remedy is that you do not have to prepare it daily. Prepare it once and you can use it up to 1 week. To prepare this powder, you will need 3 teaspoon flax seeds, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon ajwain seeds, carom seeds. Preparation: roast flax seeds for 3 to 4 minutes and then let it cool. Now take cumin seeds and roast them too. Take ajwain seeds and roast them too. Now take a clean bowl. In this add the 3 teaspoons of flax seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of ajwain. Mix all of them together in a grinder so you get a fine powder and your weight loss powder is ready. Store this in airtight container. How to consume it? Early morning, take 1 teaspoon of this powder with 1 glass of lukewarm water. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.